Hey guys, Beast PvP here, and today I'm going to tell you about the weather that's going on right outside. So approximately right now, it's a little past, I think 2 right now, and it is so windy, and there's so much snow outside, and it's a bad blizzard. I'm saying there's been winds over 50 miles an hour, approximately, right now, and it's crazy. It's been snowing. There's been about 5 to 6 inches approximately. And yeah, I'm gonna open my window and show you how bad it is outside. Yeah, it's very bad outside. So when I get an update, I will come back. So thank you and bye.